Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dusty token. Name of the token is Dusty, ticker symbol is also Dusty. Now this is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. Now this token here is based off of a Matt Furie character. I am posting a couple Matt Furie Ethereum meme coins today. One of them is the Toki token. One of them is Mystery, which is trending #1 right now on Dex Tools. Toki's actually trending #4 right now on Dex Screener. And Dusty is a community takeover token that came out a few days ago. There's a CTO now, and so the dev is out of the picture, and now the community is running the show here. And this is Pepe's Particle, Dusty, featured in the Boys Club comic book by Matt Furie. This is an homage to that Boys Club character, and it's just like a little dust ball. And we're going to go over the information on Dusty and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. You'll see in the banner there's like the whole boys club there. Actually, they're missing who are they missing? They got Landwolf, Brett, Andy. What's the red guy's name again? They're missing the red guy. They got Pepe there. And then they have here Dusty is just hanging out saying, "Hi, I'm Dusty." Blue verified check mark, 76 posts, 309 followers. And they have here a Telegram at Dusty Frog CTO, and their Twitter is at Dusty CTO. So you see they have CTO, which means community takeover, and all the socials. They had an original profile, which you can still find on Dex Screener. They show the original Twitter, Telegram, and web page, but you don't really want to follow those because that is the dev, basically, that abandoned the project. So you would follow the new CTO, Telegram, Twitter. It says, "Hi, I'm Dusty. Pepe's Particle," has the contract address right there. They just joined in December, 309 followers. So if you wanted to get this token, you could find the contract address in the pin tweet or just right there on the Twitter as well. Or even, they even have a web page linked here in their pin tweet, actually. They just created a new one. DustyCoinCTO.com looks like to be their new web page. So you could check that out as well. But yeah, so real easy to get this token here. It's an Ethereum token, so you need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with ETH. Now you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. You'd fund your wallet with ETH, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address right there, you would trade your ETH for the Dusty token on Uniswap. Now, according to their audit here, there is 0% buy and sell taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay some gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Now, their Telegram at Dusty Frog CTO says, "Dusty, Pepe's Particle Portal by Matt Furie, 195 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that is a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, new partnerships, all that type of stuff there. And their webpage, the old webpage is dustycoineth.com, and then the new webpage here is dustycoincto.com. On their new webpage, they have a Buy Now button, they have a Telegram, roadmap, join us, tokenomics, info section. Then they have tons of links, so DEX Tools, DEX Screener, CoinGecko charts. They have a TikTok, even a CoinMarketCap chart there, Uniswap link, and Twitter, Telegram. So yeah, tons of cool artwork and cartoons all over here. So it says Dusty, a human character, it doesn't look like a human, in Matt Furie's Boys Club is depicted as a disheveled and often troubled individual. He appears as a friend of the main characters, Pepe, Andy, Brett. Dusty is a character in Matt Furie's book, The Boys Club, first appears on page 24. And in his presentation to the public, Dusty reveals to be a particle residing within Pepe's eye. Interesting. We are Dusty. Dusty doesn't have a central role as some other Memecoin characters in the Boys Club, but he adds an overall surreal and unconventional vibe to the story. In Dusty, we trust. If more people need proof that Dusty is in the Boys Club, read here. And on the webpage, they have a link to the Boys Club comic book where you can go check out Dusty. And they actually post it right on the webpage where you can see the comic book where he's checking out Dusty in his eyeball. It says, "Hi, I'm Dusty." And yeah, lots of cool artwork all over the page here. Really cool page. Roadmap, launch the Dusty token. And then partnerships, utility integration, viral campaign, rewards, all sorts of stuff here. And how this token is doing, let's check that out here. So right now they have a market cap of $721,000. Past 24 hours, they're up 1%, so they're not doing much today. Not down or up, it looks like. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $271,000. They have $117,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. Now, they have here, it says here 14.98 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 34.2 trillion pooled Dusty tokens. Now, this token pair was created on Uniswap 5 days, 17 hours ago. So it is a brand new token. And then the community takeover just happened 4 days ago, December 9th. It says a community claimed ownership of this token December 9th. The team dumped all the tokens and blocked the Telegram chat. And so then the community took over. Now they have two different liquidity providers in Uniswap, and they have 1,638 holders. So go check out Dusty. Check out my other two videos today on Toki the Dragon and the Mystery Frog token. Those are from Mind Viscosity, another Matt Furie comic book. And those are very popular Ethereum tokens today, trending on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. So go check those out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.